Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove space between paragraphs in Word. Open the Word document. You will see the text to modify. Now click on the option Line and Paragraph Spacing. In the options, choose the spacing size. You can see the change. Additionally, it is possible to use the backspace key on your keyboard to delete a space. Finally, from the line and paragraph spacing, you can select the option Remove Space After Paragraph and you will get the change in the text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.